Hey, have you ever sat down to work on something important, maybe a project, studying, or even replying to that one email, and suddenly found yourself scrolling on your phone, cleaning your room, or watching just one more video? You know exactly what needs to be done, but you just don't do it. If this sounds familiar, welcome to the club. Almost everyone procrastinates, and millions of us do it every single day. Today, we're diving into the surprising psychology of why your brain loves procrastination, and most importantly, how to actually beat it. Stick around till the end, because the practical strategies I'm sharing have helped thousands rewire their habits. First, let's be honest. It feels counterintuitive, right? You know procrastinating will make you more stressed later, yet your brain still chooses the easy thing now. Well, it all comes down to how your brain is wired. Your brain loves procrastination because of dopamine, that feel-good chemical that drives motivation and reward. When you scroll social media, watch a show, or do anything instantly enjoyable, your brain gets a quick hit of dopamine. It feels good right now. On the other hand, big tasks like writing a report or exercising don't give that immediate reward. They feel effortful or scary. So your limbic system, the emotional, instant gratification part of your brain, wins over the prefrontal cortex, which is responsible for planning and long-term thinking. In short, procrastination isn't laziness. It's your brain choosing the fastest path to feeling good and avoiding discomfort, fear of failure, or overwhelm. Now let me tell you the part that surprised even the researchers. Here's why it's so hard to stop. 1. Instant versus delayed rewards. Your brain heavily discounts future benefits. A reward tomorrow feels way smaller than a reward right now. 2. Emotional avoidance. Procrastination often hides deeper feelings, perfectionism, anxiety about not being good enough, or even fear of success. By delaying, you temporarily escape those emotions. 3. The procrastination doom loop. You delay, you feel guilty, guilt makes the task even scarier, you delay more. It becomes a cycle. But here's the good news. Once you understand this, you can start working with your brain instead of against it. So how do you actually beat procrastination? Here are science-backed strategies that work. Strategy 1. Break tasks into tiny steps. Instead of write the whole report, say open the document and write one sentence. Small wins release dopamine and build momentum. Strategy 2. Use the Pomodoro technique. Work focused for 25 minutes, then take a 5-minute break. The short timer tricks your brain into starting because it knows relief is coming soon. Strategy 3. Temptation bundling. Pair something you love with something you're avoiding. Only listen to your favorite podcast while doing household chores, or only watch Netflix while on the treadmill. Strategy 4. Practice self-compassion. When you catch yourself procrastinating, don't beat yourself up. Forgive yourself quickly. Research shows self-compassion actually reduces future procrastination more than self-criticism. Strategy 5. Implementation intentions. Use if-then planning. For example, if it's 9 a.m., then I will sit down and work on my most important task for 10 minutes. This removes decision fatigue. And remember, start small. You don't need perfect motivation. You just need to start. Action often creates motivation, not the other way around. You might be thinking, this is great, but what if I keep failing? That's normal. Procrastination is a habit, not a personality flaw. The more you practice these techniques, the stronger your prefrontal cortex gets, and the easier it becomes. Here's the beautiful truth. Your brain doesn't actually want you to fail. It's just trying to protect you from discomfort. By using these simple tools, you're teaching it a better way, one that leads to real progress and less stress. Next time you feel that urge to put something off, pause and ask yourself, what's one tiny step I can take right now? So tell me in the comments, what's one thing you've been procrastinating on lately? And which strategy are you going to try first? If you enjoyed this, hit like, share it with someone who needs it, and subscribe for more psychology meets real life content. Thanks for watching. You've got this. Start small, be kind to yourself, and watch how things change. See you in the next one.